Hello and welcome to Fiona's Creative Canvas. I'm Fiona and today I am going to do a swipe. This is a set of metallic paints that I've had for a while, and I've been buying some different metallic paints that I want to start using, but I thought I should use these up first. So I've made some paints along here. I've got some shell. This is a mix of gunmetal and I've thrown them out actually, so I don't remember, but this is a sort of a brassy bronze, brassy copper, and this is a bronzy gold. And then here I've got some turquoise that I've got from another set of metallic paints, mixed with a small amount of the aquamarine. And then over here I have some leftover paint, which I believe is probably the Prussian phthalo blue, the Amsterdam, but I'm not that's sure. And I thought I'd use my new silicone cups to try and save on the paper cups, and I've also got a silicone mat here that I'm going to test out. So let's get started. I will be doing puddles today, and I've got my white mix, which I've just made a fresh batch, and if I feel like it I might use some black, but I don't think I will be. Yeah, this is really interesting, this silicone mat. I can't wait to see how that turns out. Alright, let's start with the pretty colour and do some puddles. Nice, so pretty. Some gold. Now this is the Mont Marte gold, so there's no 24 karat gold in this. And let's join up in the middle with some white. Some gunmetal grey up here. Perhaps over here. Now, I've got this other blue. Some gold here. I've got all the colours here. Let's put this blue in here. So there's no metallic in that one. A little bit of blue, I think. Teal. And then some grey. Now, some gold over here. Just trying to square off the canvas a bit. A bit of the blue up there, over here. And put some white along there. Alright, I think I'm going to swipe now, and then I can add some more colour if it's needed, because I've got a little bit left. I think I like the colours over here first, so I think, because that'll be nice and bright, so I think I will swipe through there, something like that. I'm going to use my big palette knife. Alright, it's been a few videos since I've done a swipe, so let's see how this goes. I want to take a bit of this dark blue through. Wow, that's pretty. I think that was a good choice. All right. I'm going to start from here. So I just wanted to start right on the edge, and I'm going to use my smaller palette knife here. Nice through there. Okay, and now we've got the last side. Look how pretty the corner comes up. I scrape on it. I might do a swipe that way and a swipe that way, because I always like the way the start looks. So okay, so I've got all this grey, which I'm going to add a bit of gold here. And then I want to do something over here. Now there's not a huge amount of colours. I could go this way, and I could add a little bit of colour. Not much of this left. Maybe just add a little bit of this in the middle now. I haven't covered this corner because there's a white there, and I might like to make the rest of that white. Now I'm hoping this is going to sink a bit, otherwise might have a bit of block of white over there. Oh, look at that, how pretty that is. So this one here, I might have to just shape a little bit, I think, some of these bits. I think this will get tipped off. That's amazing. I'm gonna have to do something like that one day. I had a thought. I don't know if this will work. It's probably going to get tipped off. Just mucking around. Alright, I'm going to put some gloves on. And we'll give this a stretch. I really like this corner here and that corner up there, so I think I want to stretch those two off first. Wow, do I want to keep that white corner? I don't think so. Maybe just a tiny part of it. Wow, that is beautiful. I'm not doing anything to that. Nice. Wow. I like it. Very pretty. Colors are pretty. The lacing is pretty. Composition is good. Well, it's nice to have success on my sides. Okay, one side over there needs fixing, and that one. Oh, I love it. All right, I'm going to bring you in for the wet look. Okay, here is the wet result. And that one, let's just get that light out of the way. Yeah, really pretty. The white is coming through, shining through under the turquoise here, and I just left that tiny little bit in the corner. The silvery charcoal colour looks really pretty with the dark blue and the white on it. And we've just got some soft blends of blocks of colour through there. Some more of the white coming through the turquoise there, and then going into the straight turquoise. And then up here in the dark, we've got some little bubbles of turquoise coming through the blue there, the Prussian phthalo blue. So yeah, it's very pretty. Let's wait to see how this one dries, but I think it's a winner. Alright, I'll bring you back then. Okay, here is the dry result. And the shine. It's pretty. So I've turned it around this way just to have a look at it from a different angle. Got that white corner up here, and the dark patch through the middle stands out quite a bit. And then these bubbles. They look pretty cool. Yeah, the lacing through here is really nice as well. And I like the white coming through. It almost feels a bit like a school of fish somehow, the way it flows. I'll show you a couple of different angles. Looks good that way. And it looks good that way. The other way I don't think it looks as good. I don't really like it much that way. But yeah, any of the other directions, it looks good. So I hope you all enjoyed that. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what you think. If you like the colour palette. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye.